guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you for watching. So in today's video, I decided to share with you guys some outfit ideas with some new pieces that I picked up from Target. I recently did some online shopping and got myself a few clothing pieces. So I wanted to share with you guys, I got a 5% off with my red card and a 2-day shipping. They got here super fast. So if you guys have that red card, you guys know the benefits. They also had a 10% off on their apparel. So I received an additional 10% off on these pieces that I ordered. So I scored on a really good deal. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch these pieces that I bought, I'll go ahead and link everything below in case you guys are interested in purchasing items like these. Thank you for watching. Give me a like if you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos if you guys have not done so yet. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get started with this woman's floral long sleeve top. It is by Wild Fable and I purchased this in a size small. Regular price was $20 and it was on sale online at $17 plus the 5% off with my red card and the additional 10% that they were giving on the apparel. So I really scored on this one. Really great price for this type of top with the quality. Super lightweight. I love the fit. It is a crop top, so I went ahead and paired this with some black high-waisted jeans. And what I love about this shirt is that it has a squared neck, so you can wear it either over the shoulder or to the side like I had it, and it gives it a really pretty look. Very fashionable, very lightweight, and you can wear this during spring or even summer. I think it will look great with some high-waisted shorts as well. And also what I really loved about this top, has a really beautiful long sleeve puffy tiered ruffle long sleeve. So you can either wear it long sleeve all the way, or you can actually put it up, half quarter to the arm. So once again, I love this top and I am very happy with this purchase. We're going to move on to this woman's MTV floral print. It is a graphic t-shirt. I purchased this in a size medium and this was $12.99. And the reason I purchased a medium is because I do like my t-shirts to feel just comfortable and more flowy. I am a mom of 3, so I'm constantly on the go and I love to throw on just graphic tees like this over some shorts and with the cardigan if it's a little chilly outside. It's just the quality that I love about this top. It is super soft and it is not transparent like other white tops, and you can easily wear this with the cardigan or without. It just looks super nice, super cute. The comfort is just very, very great. For $12, you guys can't beat that price. And here is another woman's graphic t-shirt. This is also in a size medium. I could have sized down in this one maybe to a size small because it is an oversized fit. I did not read those details, so I did purchase a medium. This one is pretty loose and flowy all around, but then again, it's perfect for those type of days that I have to run some errands or just do stuff around the house. I went ahead and paired this with some high-waisted jeans and a cardigan. I really love the material, super soft, and it is more of a maybe black washed color. So I love the graphic on it. It is very stylish and I really recommend this tee. This was $12.99 with a 10% off discount that they had going on. Okay, in here I have a woman's cropped hoodie. This is also by Wild Fable. These were $18 and I purchased this in 2 colors. I got this black one and the olive color, and that is just because I knew I was going to love these hoodies. I love anything cropped. I did purchase a size medium because I do have long arms, and usually any type of sweatshirt or hoodie from Target usually tend to be a little short on my arms. So that is why I purchased a medium, which I think it kind of makes it more loose around the torso area, but I think it looks great and it fits perfectly fine. This material is just super soft from the inside and out. And I went ahead and purchased two because I just loved it so much. Again, these were $18. These are perfect for those quick, jogs or walks around your neighborhood, or if you have some errands to run, or, just to wear around the house is also a perfect fit. So I really recommend these hoodies. I absolutely love them. I went ahead and washed this one before I wore it, and it did not fade at all, and it did not crumble up in the inside either. It's still very soft to touch. So if you guys are looking for a cropped hoodie, Target is the place to shop. Alright guys, and that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give me a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'll see you guys soon.